This toad lives underground and screams like a balloon. It's the Mexican burrowing toad, and yes, it spends almost its entire life underground. It only comes up when it rains, and it makes one of the strangest sounds in the animal kingdom. People say it sounds like a balloon deflating. No joke. It looks like it was drawn by a cartoonist. It puffs up like a ball, has tiny eyes and a flat face, and it's built for digging. Most people never see one in the wild, but once you hear it, you won't forget it. Would you try to find one? Tell me in the comments.